So in this video I'm going to explain a little bit about Chinese-Riemann theorem and answering some colleagues about the method they are using to solve this equation. So here is an example of four congruence equations. So I start with looking at this example and trying to combine some equations which are similar. So the first remark is that the remainder theorem, the Chinese remainder theorem, give us an answer because 4, 5, 9, and 13 are coprimes. So the first remark is to use negative numbers to understand a little bit more, and to see that x congruent to 3 mod 9 is x congruent to minus 6 mod 9, and x congruent to 7 mod 9 is also x congruent minus 6 mod. So I'm able to combine the two last equations in one single equation, which will able me to calculate minus 6 plus k times 9 times 13. I'm not going to calculate 9 times 13 first because I can go further without knowing what is 9 times 13. So I will take this form of x and I will use it for the others two equations. So for the first equation, mod 5, it will be minus 6 plus k times 9 times 13 is congruent to 1 mod 5. And there is a lot of simplification to do here. The first simplification is minus 6 mod 5. If you add 5, it will be minus 1 mod 5, and 9 mod 5 is minus 1 because it's 10 minus 1. 13 mod 5 is minus 2. So I'm going to use this kind of simplification to get to reduce the amount of calculation. So I'm going to do the same thing after for the first equation. So now I'm getting big numbers, 9 and 13, which will be 2 at the end because 9 is minus 1 and 13 is just 3 or minus 2. So I have 2k mod 5 minus 1 is congruent to 1. Add the 1 in both sides. I will have 2k is congruent to 2 mod 5, which I can simplify to k is congruent to 1 mod 5. Now I have another kind of k, another form of k. K is 1 plus 5 something, 5 times something, 5k prime. So I will replace this k in the first equation, mod 4, and after some simplifications I will get the 5k prime is exactly k prime mod 4, and 13 is 1 mod 4, 9 is 1 mod 4, so the calculation will be very simple. It's like 1 plus k prime is equal to 0 mod 4. So what is k prime? K prime gives me the form of x I have. So k prime will be minus 1 mod 4. That means k prime can be written as -1 plus 4 times t, with t a number from now get the answer. What is x? X is -6 plus 9 times 13 plus 9 times 13 times 5 times -1 mod 9 times 13 times 5 times 4. And if I use my calculator, I will get this answer, which is 1866 mod 2340.